So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Today we cover our mock test question part 1, wildlife ecology. In this video, we will provide you some question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So now let's start our question first. Which of the following is not considered a feature of biological fitness? So these are the option: environment specific, species specific, higher reproduction increases fitness, same across all generations. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, same across all generation. Now let's go to question number 2. Who is often regarded as the founder of biogeography? So these are the option: Linnaeus, Humboldt, Malthus, Theophrastus. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, Humboldt. Now let's go to question number 3. The Greek word oikos in ecology stands for. So these are the option: household, environment, study, preservation. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, household. Now let's go to question number 4. In the Greek roots of ecology, logos denotes. So these are the option: environment, household, study, protection. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, study. Now let's go to question number 5. Which of these is not part of Darwin's natural selection steps? So these are the option: variation, struggle for survival, overpopulation, survival of the fittest. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, overpopulation. Now let's go to question number 6. Ecology is the scientific study of dash that affects organism distribution. So these are the option: static, dynamics, interactions, habitat. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, interactions. Now let's go to question number 7. Which among these is not a type of natural selection? So these are the option: stabilizing, stochastic, directional, disruptive. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, stochastic. Now let's go to question number 8. Inquiry into plants was authored by. So these are the option: Linnaeus, Malthus, Humboldt, Theophrastus. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, Theophrastus. Now let's go to question number 9. Ecology focuses on the study of organisms and their dash. So these are the option: habitat, niche, environment, population. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, environment. Now let's go to question number 10. Which concept is not related to fitness? So these are the option: environment specific, traits like speed and size, uniform across all species, measured over generations. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, uniform across all species. Now let's go to question number 11. The hierarchical system in ecology was proposed by. So these are the option: Watson, Simon, Humboldt, Hutchinson. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, Simon. Now let's go to question number 12. Which of the following best represents the emergent principle? So these are the option: whole equal to sum of parts, whole less than sum of parts, whole greater than sum of parts, none. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, whole greater than sum of parts. Now let's go to question number 13. Diversity within an ecosystem refers to. So these are the option: beta diversity, alpha diversity, gamma diversity, delta diversity. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, alpha diversity. Now let's go to question number 14. Diversity across landscapes, geographies is called. So these are the option: alpha diversity, beta diversity, gamma diversity, delta diversity. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, gamma diversity. Now let's go to question number 15. Biodiversity is usually highest when disturbance is. So these are the option: maximum, intermediate, minimum, absent. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, intermediate. Now let's go to question number 16. The mitochondrion is classified as a. So these are the option: cell, tissue, organelle, organ. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, organelle. Now let's go to question number 17. Which condition supports greater biodiversity? So these are the option: more competition, less predation, more competition, more predation, less competition, more predation, less competition, less predation. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, less competition, more predation. Now let's go to question number 18. The lab approach to ecology primarily depends on. So these are the option: models, equations, observations, experiments. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, models. Now let's go to question number 19. Reproductively isolated groups of natural populations defines. So these are the options: cells, species, biomes, ecosystems. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, species. Now let's go to question number 20. Hierarchy in ecosystems arises because such structures are. So these are the option: stable, unstable, perfect, imperfect. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, stable. Now let's go to question number 21. The study of animal behavior is termed. So these are the option: ecology, ethology, behaviorism, prey predator studies. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, ethology. Now let's go to question number 22. An animal removing ticks from another and eating them is an example of. So these are the option: auto grooming, foraging, allo grooming, tick hunting. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, allo grooming. Now let's go to question number 23. According to Hamilton's rule, altruism is favored if. So these are the option: RB equal to C, RB greater than C, RB less than C, RB plus C equal to 0. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, RB greater than C. Now let's go to question number 24. Which situation reflects harmonious interaction? So these are the option: one species benefits while other is unharmed. Both harmed, both benefited, at least one harmed. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, both benefited. Now let's go to question number 25. The relationship between exotic shrubs and trees mediated by seed predators is. So these are the option: apparent competition, intra-specific competition, mutualism, disguised competition. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, apparent competition. So thank you friends for watching our mock test part 1 wildlife ecology.